Virtual events. They're all the rage. Well, simply because they've had to be this past year. But even with the fully vaccinated all done up and ready to hit the club like the old days, virtual events aren't going anywhere. So follow these tips to ensure yours goes on without a hitch. First, know your audience and choose your streaming platform wisely. For example, a music event targeted towards a younger generation may perform well live streamed to YouTube. A webinar for working professionals may fare better as a Zoom event. In a lot of cases, it may even make sense to simulcast your event to multiple platforms. Next, get organized and have a plan. Your strategy should cover logistics like the run of show, what material can be created ahead of the event, and how the event will be promoted on your social media. Lastly, broadcasting platforms can be overwhelming, and the idea of messing up while going live can drive some anxiety. So bring in a partner like us to make sure your next event runs smoothly.